Mabantay, ilang seconds lang yung pagitan natin sa kanilang lahat, okay? Ilang seconds lang. Mabantay din. Huwag ka ma-feel bad, okay? Ang lakas mo, okay? Laban pa tayo sa next. Ito yung huli, okay? Rest. Pahinga ka. I'm listening for us.
Sa loob ng bahay ay naglabas ng saloobin si Mika kay Will.
Kung ako lang to, okay. Let him down.
Habang si Brent ay emosyonal at pinili munang mapag-isa sa kwarto.
I never really took them to heart, yung mga least desirable na naging kaduo, yung mga ganun, yung pinakamahina ang duo. I don't really mind if the whole world doubts me. Kaya as long as I believe in myself, that's good enough for me. But right now, I'm starting to doubt myself too. And ayokong magtuloy-tuloy yun.
Nang lumalim ang gabi, si Mika nakakuha ng tiyempo upang makausap ang kaduo na si Brent.
Okay ka na? Oh my God.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Okay ka na?
Actually, hindi pa masyado, pero pwede na. We did our best.
Yeah.
Actually, ang tagal natin,
Sayang.
Bago matulog, kinausap naman ni Bianca ang malapit na kaibigang si Mika.
Sorry. May one last big jump pa. I don't wanna go against you, babe. You're not going against me, you're going against Brent.
Ito po yung araw na pinakakinakatakutan ko. I can go up against anyone, just not Mika. Kasi sabay po kami nangarap dito sa bahay niyo at isa po sa mga pangarap na nagawa namin together was to make it to the big night together. Unfortunately, hindi na po mangyayari yon.
Think of your family, your dreams. That's okay. Sa labas naman yung plans natin. It's okay. Okay. Love you.
Love you.